Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In the previous lesson, we have learned how to write a validation rule to check phone field mandatory if lead source selected as other in Salesforce. So friends, in the previous lesson, we have learned if lead source selected as other and phone field is blank, then we will be display error message in validation rule. In the next lesson, we will be learn how to write a validation rule on lead to check the lead annual revenue should not be negative value in Salesforce. So friends, in the next lesson, we will be check annual revenue. Annual revenue should be currency type field. If anyone put negative value in annual revenue field, then we will be display error message through validation rule in Salesforce. So in the next lesson, we will be check how to avoid negative value in annual revenue field through validation rule in Salesforce. So friends, now let me jump to my screen where we'll be see live demo scenario how to avoid negative value on annual revenue field through validation rule in Salesforce. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn how to write a validation rule on lead to check the lead annual revenue should not be negative value in Salesforce. So friends, in this lesson, we will be check annual revenue that is a currency type field. If anyone put negative value in annual revenue, then we will be display error message through validation rule in Salesforce. So friends, find the below screenshot the live demo scenario of validation rule. Friends, here I am writing validation rule lead. So I am selecting lead object. Then I opening one record of the lead. So in the lead record, there is a annual revenue field. As per the scenario, if anyone put negative value in annual revenue field, before save the record, it will be display error message through validation rule. Annual revenue cannot be negative. So friends, this scenario will be achieved through validation rule in Salesforce. So friends, in this lesson, we will be learn how to avoid negative value in currency type field that is annual revenue in lead. If anyone put negative value in annual revenue field, then we will be display error message before save the record of lead. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce or where will we see live demo scenario how to avoid negative value on currency type field through validation rule in Salesforce. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce Potential org. First go to the gear icon, click on the setup. Then you will be move on the home page. Here I am selecting object manager and in the search quick find search box, I will be search my object. So here I am writing a validation rule on lead. So I am searching lead. Click on the lead. In the left sidebar, in the bottom, there is a validation rule. Click on the validation rule. Then you will be go on the next page where will we write a validation rule. So here you can see this is a lead validation rule. First we will be define name of the validation rule. So here I am writing a validation rule for the negative value on annual revenue. So I am writing a rule name annual revenue negative validation. Then check mark the active. Then description. Description. So you can write a description for the validation. Here I am writing description annual revenue cannot be negative. Then go on down. Here you can write a formula condition. So based on this condition, it will be display error message through validation rule. Then you need to write a error message. Then you need to write a error location. So first we need to write a condition. Based on the condition, it will be display error message. So friends, before write a condition, let me go through the scenario. Let me go on the lead and open one of the record. It is the record. Here we will be find annual revenue. So annual revenue, you can see this is a annual revenue field. So annual revenue field, it is a currency type field. As per the scenario, if anyone trying to put negative value like this -23, -25, -200, -300, if anyone put negative value in annual revenue and try to save the record, it will be display error message through validation rule. So friends, in this lesson, we will be learn how to avoid negative type value in currency type field through validation rule in Salesforce. So now let me go back on validation rule. Here I will be write a condition. So condition I will be write for the annual revenue field. So friends, first I will be select insert field and lead, and I will be select my field name. So my field name is annual revenue, this one. Then insert, and as per the condition, if anyone put negative value in annual revenue, so annual revenue not less than zero. So here I will be use annual revenue less than zero. So if you putting annual revenue less than zero, that means all of the value it will be acceptable 0 and greater than 0, not less than 0. So here I am putting a condition, if annual revenue less than 0, then it will be display error message. That's it. If anyone put -1, -3 and minus negative value, then it will be display error. If anyone putting 0 and greater than 0, then it will be not display error. So now let me check the condition. So I check syntax error. There is no syntax error, no error found. Now go down, error message. What you want to display error message? Here I am displaying error message. Annual revenue cannot be negative because here I take a condition annual revenue less than 0. So here I am putting a error message. Annual revenue cannot be negative. After that, error location. Where you want to display error message? There are two type of option, top of the page and field. If you selecting top of the page, message will be displayed top of the page. If you selecting field, then here you need to select your field name. So you can see I am selecting annual revenue field because I will be display error message below the annual revenue field. Now let me save the validation rule. Validation rule has been saved successfully. Now let me go to the lead object. This is a lead object. Here I open one record of the lead and let me check the scenario. So friends, you can see this is a lead, annual revenue. So friends, as per the scenario, if I putting negative value in annual revenue, then before save the record, it will be display error message through validation rule. So annual revenue, it is a currency type fields. Right now, it is a 23. Now I am putting minus 300. Now trying to save the record. You can see annual revenue cannot be negative because in the validation rule I put a condition. So if I putting negative value in annual revenue, validation rule will be applied and display error message below the annual revenue field. Now I am removing the negative and now I am trying to save. You can see record has been saved successfully. So friends, if I putting negative value, if you putting -1, let's suppose I am putting -1 and try to save. It will be throw error because validation rule apply. But if I putting only 1, not putting minus, then it will be saved successfully. So friends, in this lesson, we have learned how to avoid negative type value in currency type fields in Salesforce through validation rule. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you're getting any kind of issue, please write in comment box.